There we go, good kick there from Luke Thomas.
Pai tēnā hopu. Another harmony. Playing advantage now. Another harmony. Quick tap.
Quick tap there.
Here we go. Yeah. Oh.
No try there, but a great effort from Joel Rossell.
What a run. Pai tēnā oma.
Never mind, he scored.
Great contest there too. Didn't move that much. Pretty even battle.
Oh, he's away. He's broken the line. And he gets the pass away. Brilliant. Great try there from you Plymouth boys. Another great line out there. Here's the drive.
Here's the kokiri, the drive.
Oh, great defence there from New Plymouth. Oh, good push, good push.
There.
See if they can make it over.
Oh.
Yes.
Good tackles there from Napier boys. Oh. Good
run there.
Good run there. Nice pedal, nice pedal.
Brilliant try there from New Plymouth.
Doing some little pick and goes here. Oh.
Great try there. Great tackle there from Stevenson.
Great tackle there from Kant. Great push there.
Good blowing over there from Tasman and George Prouting.
We've got advantage. Just use it. It's away from the well.
And he breaks the line. And he makes it over. Good try there.
Unlucky tackle there from Wiley.
Great intercept. Well done. Good intercept there from Jacob Cotter.
Great hook there. Great kick. Great hook there from Khan.
Oh, he gets back up.
Great hook there from Luke.
And a turnover.
Oh, unlucky there. He's been pretty good today. There you go.
And another great kick from Jack Wiseman. Great scrum there from Napier boys.
Here they come.
Nice short ball. Good run from Charlie Nash. Oh, great tackle. Good defence there.
Quick.
And Jacob Cotter, he gets a double.
Great defence there from Newfoundland. Nice little pick and goes there.
Great defence from New Plymouth.
Yes.
Great try there from Charlie Nash. Points on the board.
Unlucky there, Kant.
Unlucky line out. Good run from George Prouting. Napier boys slowly creeping up. Good try there.
That's what we like to see there.
The line now.
Goes to
Great
the
run
line
from
now.
George Prouting. Almost pushed out there.
Should be able to use it now. Let's go.
Māori Active.